Meet your no-rinse hydration hero. New Mary Kay Hydrating Cream Mask. Deliver a hydration surge to skin anytime, anywhere with the no-rinse Mary Kay Hydrating Cream Mask. Whether you need a quick refresh, a pre-glam blow-up, or an overnight reset, this multitasking hero does it all. Add this no-rinse hydration hero to your countertop and your carry-on. New Mary Kay Hydrating Cream Mask. Imagine the no-rinse possibilities. Apply to clean skin using the Mary Kay Mask Applicator or clean hands. Set it and forget it for 20 minutes or more. Then massage in any excess. No rinsing required. 20-minute moisture surge. Apply a thin layer to the face and neck. Overnight dry skin rescue. Soak in the benefits by applying a thick layer before bed. Pre-makeup glow-up. Mask in the morning for a dewy start with no sticky afterfeel. Versatile care. Show hands, elbows, knees, and more some love. Skin-quenching benefits with superstar ingredients. Shea butter, glycerin, hyaluronic acid. For a boost of hydration, apply to clean skin, then soak in the quenching benefits. No mess, just looking renewed and refreshed. Hydrates for 12 hours.